Chips are down. It's time to get out heavier gear. Items that I use today. The mitts are knit by a 91-year-old, and the colors are awesome. This came from Cabot Bluegill. We're going to do a hat exchange, and they also sent me a hat, which I'll show you in a minute, and accompanied with these beautiful warm mittens. I just love them. There's nothing like them for the cold winter to keep you warm, and they dry wonderfully near the fire. And all the way from Norway, from my beautiful ladies, this wonderful, wonderful wilderness cap in Canadian colors that I also wore. It's just terrific. Support those channels. That's awesome. It's very well crafted. I just love it. And now I'll show you a wonderful hat from Howard. It's a beautiful hat from Howard and Susan, likely stitched on there. Lovely sewing machine. I just love the patterns and the colors. I can't wait to wear that as well. I just love our community. Great people. I'll be sending a thank you and a return hat for anybody who wants to join in. You can send me a hat that represents your state or something that you're happy or proud of and want to share with me, and I'll send you something back, preferably a hat from Canada or a calendar or something that symbolizes here. And I just think it's a great idea, and I just love meeting all you people. You're so terrific. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Tons and tons and tons. Tav, Kaja, Howard, Susan, all the best to you. You're great people. One woman's measure of success was wealth, materialistic things, style and clothing, vehicle, house. But for me, success is a different reward. It's knowing who you are, being kind, respectful, grounded, surrounded by family and friends. That's what success is to me in life. Not about what you accumulate in fortune, but the fortune you accumulate in people around you and nature. My pets, they like to check out the fresh snow in the morning. Lots of new bunny trails. They chase each other. We're going to go back. Here I have a big pine, dead one, cut down for dry firewood, and get some more. You hear the crunching of the snow. Still, even though this new stuff is fresh and fluffy. It's a little slippery underneath because of the ice and frozen snow. The whole trail. And I was leading the way. I would. Snake. See that? to do that. Sometimes you'll hit a knot down about that small. Sometimes I use a bucket. Sometimes I'll carry the whole piece. And come back a little later for more. I wanted to take a moment and show you my dog's trail, especially when it's gone over twice. This is what would be very similar to a porcupine going in the snow. We rarely have any here. They're mostly down at the coast. Nova Scotia, I've seen plenty. They love to live in rock piles. Porcupines are really not welcome by woodlot owners. They like to chew the bark off of trees, especially like the evergreens, the spruce and pine, but more so the balsam fir sometimes. And not to mention, they're not good if you have pets. The cold night is here. It's supposed to warm up in a few days, and we'll be enjoying that. My inside box full of wood and outside container, and I'll probably get more later. Now it's time to do some inside chores and have a coffee. We got some clouds coming in. Not quite sure what's going to happen tonight, but the weather is ever changing. Could be snow, could be rain, but it's sure gotten mild very quickly as the sun sets here. One of my most favorite evenings. Sitting here in the dark with just my little lamp, using my 12-volt battery to watch some episodes of Fraser while the wind rages outside and my fire keeps me warm. This is paradise. Dark and windy, no moon tonight. Oh, it's a gorgeous day today. It's about time. This is just awesome right now. Than I thought. I see 3. Here you go. You know, you're the Canadian national bird. I have things to do, but right now, I'm in the moment. That's what happiness is. Not letting things control you, not resisting things that happen in life, whether good or bad, not coveting things, just enjoying the moment. And we have so many. From an old logging road. So, just got to clean that up. It's still smoldering. You'll notice where some old trees were cut. There's a stump there from an old cut. There's another tree that's fallen. Here's a tree that's shoved up, probably by a skid or two. You can see some old damage in here as well. So I'm just in here cleaning up, going through, making my roadway. So what I'll do here is I'll just tone this in some so you can see. This tree here probably took 30, 40 years to grow. I don't really want to cut this. If not possible. Unlike the spruce I just showed you, this pine probably took 150 years plus to grow. And unfortunately, the beetle killed it. It's making... Hey, Red! Probably only took 10 years plus to grow. That's why it's not very valuable in some parts. Maybe using for strawberry boxes, but they crack easy. It just, I guess, depends on how you treat them. They're not much good for firewood because they make too much ash unless you want to smoke fish or cod out. Cutting that tree. Saw something big furry go in under there. Now, I wonder, can we have a look? Hey Maggie, let's see if we can chase out what's under here for the people to see. Come on, girl. Ran over this side. Now, what's the under there? Maybe this is his house. Hey girl, come see. Come see. Whatever it is, it's likely under there, and it's probably is feeding on the limbs. The road's working out perfect. After that dead pine, there's a bunch more dead pine, and then I swing a long stretch over and soon be to where I want to be. It's getting pretty awesome. I'm excited. Here comes the showers, everyone. I have a Shih Tzu and a kitty cat. Hence the name of my little outhouse, the Shitty Kitty. Sorry, I just couldn't resist.